Solve 2 over x squared minus 25 is less than x over x squared minus 25. So here we need to get 0 on one side, everything to the other side. So we need to subtract this fraction over. And we have 2 over x squared minus 25 minus x over x squared minus 25 is less than 0. Subtraction, so we need common denominator, and here we already have common denominator, which is x squared minus 25. So the numerator is 2 minus x, and this is less than 0. So we need to set the numerator equal to 0 and solve. Set the denominator not equal to 0 and solve. So the first one, we can add x over. So x is equal to 2. This second equation, we need to add the 25 over. So we have x squared cannot equal to 25. Take the square root on both sides. So x cannot equal to plus minus 5. So here we have three numbers, negative 5, 2, and 5. Our inequality is strictly less than 0. That means at negative 5, 2, and 5, we have open circles. Let's test points. We need a number that's bigger than 5. So let's pick 6. So we have 2 minus 6 over 6 squared minus 25. So this is negative 4 over 11. So this is a negative interval. We need a number that's between 2 and 5. So let's pick 3. So 2 minus 3 over 3 squared minus 25. So this is negative 1 over negative 16, which is 1 over 16. So this is a positive interval. We need a number that is between negative 5 and 2. So let's pick 0. So we have 2 minus 0 over 0 squared minus 25. So this is negative 2 over 25. So this is a negative interval. Let's pick a number that is less than negative 5. So let's pick negative 6. So we have 2 minus a negative 6 over negative 6 squared minus 25. So this is 8 over 11. So we have a positive interval. So here we want it to be less than 0. So that means we want the negative interval. We don't want the positive interval. So our answer is parenthesis negative 5 to 2 union 5 to infinity. Solve 5 over x squared plus 9x plus 20 is greater than or equal to x over x squared plus 9x plus 20. So again, we need 0 on one side, so let's subtract this group over. And we have 5 over x squared plus 9x plus 20 minus x over x squared plus 9x plus 20 is greater than or equal to 0. Here, subtraction, we need common denominator, which we already have. It is x squared plus 9x plus 20. So the numerator is 5 minus x, and this is greater than or equal to 0. So we need to set the numerator equal to 0 and solve. Set the denominator not equal to 0 and solve. So for the first equation, we can add the x over. So x is equal to 5. And then for the second equation, we have 3 terms. So here, we need two numbers that multiply, give us 20, add, give us 9. So this is 4 and 5. So we have x plus 4 times x plus 5 cannot equal to 0. Set each group not equal to 0 and solve. So x plus 4 cannot equal to 0 minus the 4 over, so x cannot equal to negative 4. And then we have x plus 5 cannot equal to 0 minus the 5 over, so x cannot equal to negative 5. So here we have negative 5, negative 4, and 5. The inequality is greater than or equal to, that means at 5 we have a closed dot. At negative 4 and at negative 5 we cannot have it, so we are going to have open dots. Let's test points. We need a number that is bigger than 5, so let's pick 6. So we have 5 minus 6 over 6 squared plus 9 times 6 plus 20. So this is negative 1 over 110. So we have a negative interval. Pick a number that is between negative 4 and 5. So let's pick 0. And we have 5 minus 0 over 0 squared plus 9 times 0 plus 20. So this is 5 over 20. So we have a positive interval. Pick a number that is between negative 5 and negative 4. So let's pick negative 4.5. So we have 5 minus negative 4.5 over negative 4.5 squared plus 9 times negative 4.5 plus 20. So this here we have 9.5 over negative 0.25, which is negative 38. So we have a negative interval. And let's pick a number that is less than negative 5. So let's pick negative 6. So we have 5 minus negative 6 over negative 6 squared plus 9 times negative 6 plus 20. So this is 11 over 2. So this is a positive interval. Our inequality here is greater than or equal to 0. So we want the positive interval. We don't want the negative interval. So our answer is negative infinity to negative 5 parenthesis union parenthesis negative 4 to 5 bracket.